Here we are camping St. Malo, August 26th, I think. There's our tent. There's the new car. And there's the water.
And if you look at the wood, they give us the worst possible wood that they possibly can give you. Come take a look.
Oh, shoot.
Old rotten wood. It's gonna burn in 2 seconds.
Oh.
$20 for this bundle. Look at this. This will burn.
Let's go look right beside our campsite over here. Is the beach. And the playground over there.
Look what he invented. It's his drink carrier. Okay, bring the camera over here. We're going to see a one-match fire. We're not going to light it yet, though.
I want to light it.
This is a one-match fire. Except I'm using newspaper. I'm kind of cheating. So this is where I'm going to light it. Right there.
I don't need full narration.
You always need full narration.
Wait, let me get the sunlight in your head. Okay, son. Say a little something for the camera.
Hey, you can put that here.
Bye, people.
Say bye, people.
Bye, people.
Bye.
Hey, Sawyer, listen. You ready? Here we are at St.Malo. There's Sawyer Shae and Mama. I'm too tall, I gotta get down. What you guys eating?
Pepperoni stick and cheese.
Pepperoni sticks and cheese. Sawyer, what are you eating?
Sawyer, here, show the camera. Here, boo. Son, here. Here, son.
Let's go see.
Sawyer.
I was eating nothing.
Here, Sawyer, you eat this.
Yeah, we're gonna roast some weenies later. Weenies.
We're gonna roast them later.
Booby shots, booby shot.
I want to roast them.
You're not putting this one on YouTube.
Why not?
Because they're private collections.
I put everything on.
There's an ant.
Here's our wicked tent.
Oh, open it up.
Oh, there's an ant.
Show the bedding inside.
Here's our awesome tent.
Show the bedding inside. I'll open it. Come, Pooh. Show the tent.
You gotta see this bed we have in here. It's pretty good. Pretty sweet setup. There's a nice bum. Where's she from? Now, if you can see, look at the size of that. That's our bed. And there's Sawyer's cute
Look
little
at the
bed.
dressing area to the right.
And if you look over to the right, we can get dressed. I pumped that up.
Put Sawyer
I
on.
pumped that up with a hand pump.
I got an ant on me.
Ooh, Sawyer's got an ant. Let's see. There, I see it.
Oh,
It's running.
Look at Decepticons there and Autobots.
And if you look over here, this is our new Decepticon sticker. I think it's pretty cool. There's the woman. And if you look around the other side, the Autobots are on the other side. There's the Autobot sticker and me. So, peace. There's some people walking. Some more campers. Here's our little fire pit. Here's the chairs. Here's me and Sayonara. Who skips? Find a good one? Watch this one. Stand back. Stand back. Okay, ready? Oh, 2 skips. Just 2. Sawyer, this is sand. Sand's gonna skip. Watch this.
Okay.
Couple skips.
Hey Sawyer,
Skips.
what are you guys doing?
Skipping rocks.
Skipping rocks.
And how old? And Sawyer, how old are you now?
4.
Pardon me. Look up for a second.
Hi, 4. Sandy rock.
One skip.
Skip.
Ooh, I see something flat.
Oh.
Bye.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay, we can't leave the fire unattended.
Got bigger.
They get bigger. Don't touch the ends, don't touch the ends.
And look.
One's done.
Oh, oh.